I should probably start off properly by saying, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for spending your Friday evening here with me on the channel. Hearing what I have to say is this little Friday night update. I got some big news for you guys. A nice little surprise, actually 2 surprises. Yeah, I got 2 surprises for you. Real quick reminder here in the beginning that we have links to tools and parts, oils, all sorts of stuff down in the video description. They are affiliate links that will help the channel to pump out bigger and better content to you guys. So by using those links below, you guys will get good products for your trucks so that you can take care of them, and then in return they can take care of you. And then also it'll help me be able to bring you bigger and better content. What I want to talk to you guys about in this video though is the little vote that we had not too long ago on what the first mod of 2019 should be for this old 24 valve, yeah, this old girl right here. The 3 options were a headlight build, a cold air intake, or a quad adrenaline. And yes, really quick, I'm gonna get sidetracked again. I misspoke in the last video, so you guys don't need to get all angry. Like you can convey your thoughts and what you're thinking in your brain in an adult-like manner. I didn't mean to say 4K. I was just looking at the quads a little earlier in that day before I made that video, and I was thinking about a whole lot of stuff and thinking off in the future and not in the moment when I was speaking. So that was a mistake. No need to get all angry like you just got a wedgie from the school bully. Now back on topic. You guys spoke loud and clear in the comment section, and the majority of the votes were for the quad adrenaline. So I promised you guys that that would be the first mod of 2019. I was letting you guys decide that. A close second though, I don't know how close, but I'll call it a close second, was the cold air intake. And yes, there are plans to do the cold air intake, so we will be doing that eventually too. But the quad adrenaline was the winner of that vote, and I'm here to tell you right now, tonight, boys, that I spoke with Diesel Auto Power yesterday. I was on the phone with those guys. We got the quad ordered, and it is on its way. It will be here Monday, so we'll be able to get a good unboxing video of that. We'll be able to go over the contents of the package and show you what you get if you were to call those guys and order one up. So I'm pretty stoked about that. I can't wait to get this thing in my hands and see what it is, and then I cannot wait to get this edge comp box out of the truck and install this quad and start playing with it so I can bring you guys videos on it, show you the different features of it, compare it to the edge comp box. There's a whole bunch of different videos that we can make on this, and I hope you guys are ready to watch them. So a huge thank you to the guys over there at Diesel Auto Power for getting me taken care of with that order yesterday and getting that sent out lickety split so that we can get it here by Monday. And it'll be just in time because our little cold front that we just got hit with here in New York is done and over with after tonight, and we are shooting back up into the mid 40s, almost 50 next week. So we're gonna get some warmer temps. It's gonna cool off a little bit, but nonetheless the temperatures are going to be warmer, so we are probably going to be out here getting that sucker installed and just getting right into it. So a couple videos back I also listed some parts that I'm going to sell. The stock injectors out of the truck, those are for sale. The HY35 turbo, that is also for sale. I also have a set of stock mirrors laying around in the garage if anybody could use those or needs them, has a buddy that might need them. Those are also for sale. And then the edge comp box, once we get the quad adrenaline and this edge comp box is out of the truck, I told you guys that that was for sale. Well, the other surprise that I have for you boys is that we are actually just going to go ahead and do a giveaway with the edge comp box. We are not going to sell that. We are going to just install the quad and get that all taken care of, and then do a giveaway with the edge comp box once I'm able to get the Quadzilla installed in the truck. My hopes is that somebody out there could use a tuner for their truck, use the edge comp box and put it to good use, and I would rather give it away to somebody who could use it hopefully, and know that it's in good hands, being used and making someone happy. If for whatever reason the person who wins it has no use for it or can't use it, doesn't have a truck that it'll work on, then go ahead and sell it and just get a little extra cash in your pocket, whatever floats your boat. But either way, if it can go to someone else who can get something out of it, then that is what I'm hoping for. So that is the plan. We're gonna get this Quadzilla, get it installed, and then the edge comp box will be up for grabs in a giveaway, and we will go over how the giveaway is gonna work once that time comes. For now though, we're gonna wrap this one up. I'm gonna sign out and let you guys go. Just wanted to give you a short little video tonight and share these little surprises with you and let you know that we're gonna do the giveaway with the Edge Comp box and not sell that thing. So in the meantime, until the giveaway starts, you guys need to be smashing that like button as you always do. You need to share the videos, tell all your buddies, try to get all your friends, family, whoever it is over here on the channel. Let's get this family growing and growing more than it has been. Speaking of growing, if you guys are new here, you're just stopping in, I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button because the Quadzilla was not the only thing that I talked to Diesel Auto Power about, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. Again, don't forget the links down in the description for oils, tools, parts, whatever it is, and I will see you guys in the next video tomorrow when we look at that box right out there in front of the truck. Yeah, sounds like a plan. See ya!